All right, what else did I get? Let's see. Kit. Buttstock off an Enfield. Oh, look. I wonder if that's real. It's a buttstock off of a sniper rifle. Well, that'd be good. What's this? It's a bipod off of something. What the hell is that? That's a Parker-Hale. Okay, that's the... Alright, what is the box saying? Yes. Wow, okay, I didn't know about that. Wow. Okay. Parker-Hale. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Reproduction goggles, some of the buttstock, some helmet shells. Train wreck of a German helmet. It's obviously been dug up somewhere. Another buttstock. Another buttstock. Original wrapping. Oh, chocolate? Probably not. Let's see. Oh, Billy's WLC. Cool. Manual. Painted helmet and the wrong screw, so who cares? P2 and carrier, perfect, good. Webbing. Poster. Gee, I wish that pistol was real. Yeah, okay. Very wood. Guess that's for display. Someone want it. Suspenders. Tie. Strange tie. No, it's a civilian. Military suspenders. Military tie. Cool. More stuff.